Hello YouTube. Um, Sorry it's been a while since I made a video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Djarum Black Cherry filtered clove cigars. I've already opened these, so I guess it's a pretty cool pack. It's different from the usual ones. The usual ones are just all black. These have that neat little reddish brown burgundy color. It's kind of ombreed a little bit, and you can see how it's light and dark in places. I like the red. That's to show that they're cherry. This is 12 filtered clove cigars. The back has some information and it has a pretty big Surgeon General's warning. Says that these cigars are predominantly natural tobacco with non-tobacco ingredients added. Djarum Black filtered clove cigars. Yeah. It also has some information on the back that I don't really feel like reading, so I'm not gonna read it. I like the little logo thing. I don't know what it is. I always think that it looks like a quill or a calligraphy pen, but I don't know. It has the standard silver foil. I've already smoked all of these. I saved the last one for a cigarette review. Okay, when you first smell it, it smells almost fruity, like almost floral and spicy. You could definitely smell the cherry in it. I love the way that they smell. Like, I don't know, it reminds me of Thanksgiving for some reason, I guess because ham and cloves go together. I don't know. You can see that it says black with the triangle, and it has one band, gold band. And then, I don't see any lines of perforation. Yeah, there's no lines of perforation at all. The filter is pretty hard. The tobacco-y stuff inside is kind of a dark medium color. When you do it dry, you can definitely taste the cherry, and it's almost sugary. Yeah, you can definitely taste the cherry doing it dry. Let's light it up. Alright, the first initial puff, you can't really taste the cherry at all. It almost tastes like a regular Djarum Black. Kind of sweet. It leaves your mouth feeling kind of numb in your lips, like sugary and sweet. The body's pretty nice. You can't really tell because I have my fan on and because it's really hot. I prefer ones with a bigger body. That's just me. But it's a pretty good body. It's not bad. You can hear the cigarette popping when you smoke it, I guess, because it's like a Kretek. I don't know what that means, but I guess it's just a style of Indonesian cigarette or something. Let's inhale it into my lungs, even though you're not supposed to do that with cigars, but I'm going to do it anyway. There is like a slight harshness, and I'm beginning to taste maybe a little bit of cherry. I'm not sure, because it doesn't really taste like cherry. It almost smells like those cherry cordials, like the chocolate covered cherries that you can get here. I like them, but they're a little overpowering with their taste, so it's kind of, the smell is almost like the taste of a cherry cordial cherry, whatever they're called. It's burning pretty evenly, and the glue strip is holding on pretty nicely, which you can't see because my camera sucks. The fire looks purple and white, but it's actually orange. There are a few pins and needles going down, but not really. And my tongue is starting to go a little numb, which I like the sensation. Not many people do because they are kind of strong, and I don't know, I guess it's kind of an acquired taste. I started smoking these and then I moved to other cigarettes, but I still like these. Well, I didn't start smoking these. I started with the Djarum regulars, just the regular blacks. The filter is already starting to darken a little bit. It went from pristine white to kind of a muddy brown color, almost like coffee. Exhaling through your nose, you can taste the cherry a little bit more, but the cherry is not super prominent. It almost leaves like a sweet aftertaste, like you just ate a lot of candy and then drink some water. And it's kind of like it's a diluted candy kind of taste. They burn fairly slowly, but I don't take like humongous drags like some people do. I like the way that they smell. They smell really good. I like to use them as air freshener sometimes, just when I want my room to smell exotic. I smoke these. The only problem that I always run into with these is that the filter, it gets hot and like it shrinks, the corky stuff or whatever, and then the paper detaches from it. So it's I don't know why it does that. I don't run into that with many cigarettes, but some of them do it. You can't really see the smoke coming off of it. It's barely producing any smoke, kind of like some cigars. There's a little bit of harshness going down, but like I said, you're technically not supposed to inhale cigars. But they banned flavored cigarettes in the United States like 2009, I think. So I think by law they're required to call them cigars. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. But I don't know. I like the fact that they're black. It makes me feel really cool when I'm smoking them. The filter is kind of being all wonky and ratchet looking, but that's okay. It still smokes pretty good. I feel like these would be nice to enjoy, like with a Starbucks coffee or something. I don't know. Because Starbucks is really strong, and I like strong coffee. So, or just any coffee in general, really, would be good with coffee. Maybe not an early morning cigarette because it is so strong, but then again, it could be good for you to wake you up and stuff. You can see that that it's being weird, and the paper is starting to detach from it. I don't know why these do that to me. I've never heard anybody else have any problems with them. Yeah, like the filter, it shrinks, or at least when I smoke them they do. I don't know why they do that, which it's a bit annoying. As far as pack design, I'll give the pack design an 8 because I think it's a really cool pack. The smell of the cigarette, I love the way they smell, so I'll give it a 9.5. The taste, it's not bad, but it's kind of, it's really strong, so I'll give it an 8. And because of the filter, maybe a 7.5 for the overall cigarette, just because of the filter and how it detaches like that, which is really annoying. Yeah, like, see, the filter is like shrunk a lot, and it really kind of annoys me a lot when they do that, but that's okay. I guess that ends this cigarette review. I'll probably be posting some more with Pall Mall menthols and Marlboro Black Menthol 100s. I guess I'll see you later. Bye.